Let's go through the process flow of the Risk Assessment Assistant and take a look at how it works behind the scenes. It starts when a user submits a query to the Risk Assessment Assistant, built on Microsoft Copilot Studio. The assistant receives the question. For example, generate a sample risk assessment for laboratory work. The Risk Assessment Assistant then sends this information to a back-end workflow managed by Microsoft Power Automate, which coordinates all the next steps automatically. Power Automate forwards a request to an AI large language model using the NTU Data AI platform. This model is the brain of the system, but its accuracy depends on the data it learns from. The model retrieves knowledge from a dataset stored in the NTU Data AI vector store. This dataset combines three sources. Firstly, NTU standards, which are verified and validated guidelines. Secondly, risk assessment history, which are previous approved assessments. Thirdly, public links, which come from trusted references from external sources such as local government websites and top universities around the world. These sources help ensure every output aligns with both internal best practices and credible external data. After processing the data, the AI sends its response back to the back-end workflow for final formatting and validation. Power Automate ensures the output is complete and ready to be shared with the user. Finally, the Risk Assessment Assistant delivers the response, either through Microsoft Teams chat or email, giving the user a ready-to-use risk assessment draft they can copy or refine further. Now, let's see how the Risk Assessment Assistant works in action. Users can begin by simply saying, "Hello," to start the conversation. The assistant greets the user and offers two main options: to write a new risk assessment or check an existing one. For today's demo, let's choose Write a New Risk Assessment. Next, the assistant presents a list of frequently requested topics. Users can either pick from the list or type in their own custom topic. Once a topic is chosen, the assistant begins generating the risk assessment draft. Behind the scenes, it connects to a secure AI backend to analyze relevant data and prepare the response. After a short while, the assistant replies with a draft, covering hazards, risks, and recommended controls. It then asks if the user would like to receive this by email. If the user selects yes, the system automatically sends the generated risk assessment to their email inbox, ready for review. And that's it for the demo. From a simple hello to a complete drafted AI-generated risk assessment, all in just a few clicks.